Mount Moiwa in Sapporo, Japan. Mount Moiwa is a must-visit place in Sapporo, Japan. Do it yourself going to Mount Moiwa from Sapporo. Ride a tram. Beware, the tram don't speak English, only Japanese. And the fare is 200 yen for one way for one adult. Takes 15 minutes ride via tram from Sapporo City to Mount Moiwa. Look for a free shuttle bus going to the Mount Moiwa near the tram station. It takes 5 minutes by a free shuttle bus or walk 15 minutes and it's going up. The view from Mount Moiwa. Going up the summit, you must buy a ticket, and the ticket has already a free ride to the cable car, a return ticket of the cable car. The cable car is big. It can carry a lot of guests to summit of Mount Moiwa. Look the view from the big cable car going up to the summit. Upon arriving the summit,
Yan lang. Yan.
the first thing I did was to queue and make a wish and ring the bell. After your wish, ring the bell for 3 times. I was only informed after my wish to ring the bell for just 3 times. The view at my back is city of Sapporo.
Ito yung ulo.
The view during daytime. Look the view from the summit during sunset.
Oo.
We stay here until it gets dark. There is a small canteen that you can buy a light snack and a lunch where you can eat your food. And there is our ticket and a guest card. The summit is 3-story. You can use the lift or you can use the stairs. Time to get back to the city proper. Going down the summit, ride the cable car which is included in your ticket. This is the view from the cable car while going down the summit. Staying at the summit, no limit. Just buy the ticket and stay at the summit
Hindi ako nakabidyo kanina kasi patalikod ako.
Sige, ito.
until you want. But beware, in Japan, always very long queue. Ride the free shuttle bus from Mount Moiwa to the near tram station. It is free. Again, the driver will not speak English. He just speak Japanese and understand Japanese. And there is also a dispatcher who will just shout Japanese language going to the Mount Moiwa. 2 to 3 minutes walk is the tram station going to the Sapporo Proper.
Dito mga picturean dito sa Asahi.
Napicturean na kita dyan. Ito, o, tingnan mo na yung pupuntahan natin.
Before heading to our accommodation, we eat dinner.
Thank you. Chicken style.